Ooh, first unboxing video ever. Can't wait to see what's inside. Oh. Note to self, sharpen blade. Ooh. Well packaged. Nice. Spare parts. Nice. Wasn't sure whether that came with it or not, which is nice. Documentation. There's an Allen key in there. All essential power. Now for the pièce de résistance. Ooh. Nice. Big Ziploc. Very nice. Nothing else in the bag. Well, that is nice. Can't wait to try that out. Ooh. Sealed for your posterity. Nice. I guess I need to assemble. Ooh, 2 Allen keys. Pretty solid though. Ooh. Nice. Tight fit. Well, there we go. Okay. Well, that's all right. Have to figure this out. Oh. Well, basically this I'm replacing. Replacing this older Shatten Design winder. And this has got a little external belt that's already cracked. It's a little over a year old, 2 years old now, and just the little belts don't last very long. have I don't think I have an Allen key that size here, but so that's how that works. All right, should be pretty. Everything looks all right. Have to figure this out. Well, that's pretty much it. Awesome. Thank you guys for listening.